So Leah, cubby houses are all the rage at the minute.
They are all over social media and the internet. Beautiful makeover pictures, really inspirational. And that's what we're going to do with this cubby. We are going to renew it with two beautiful colours.
Oh, so this is going to be a cubby kids are going to love to play in.
You got it.
Let's get into it.
We're actually pretty lucky with this particular cubby because it's structurally really sound. So what I have done though is just put some wood filler in screw holes and any other holes that I'd like to smooth out. Wait for that to dry and then give everything a really light sand and then we're ready to paint. You can really go wild and choose bold colours for your cubby, but with our cubby we've decided to go some really nice soft seaside tones. Reason being, we want it to be a feature in the garden. We don't want it to stand out like a sore thumb. So for our highlight colour, we've got this gorgeous soft aqua, and the main colour on our cubby will be this beautiful soft grey.
There's nothing hard about painting a little cubby, but because it's small, ideally you want a great little brush to cut in those areas where you can't get with the roller. And speaking of rollers, I'm going to use this Smart Lock Mini Fabric Roller. The fabric is fantastic and thick enough to not only give a smooth finish, but also get in between the grooves of the tongue and groove timber.
We're painting the whole cubby, the trims, the doors, everything in our gorgeous grey paint. And that's going to act as an undercoat, so when we do paint our trims, they'll have a much truer colour.
Now we've finished our first coat, so while we're waiting for that to dry, here's another benefit of using quality brushes and rollers. Not only do you get a better finish, you don't have to wash them out. Simply get your brush, load it with some paint, and wrap it up in some cling wrap. And overnight or in between coats, that's not going to go hard at all. And if you think that's great, these Smart Lock Mini Rollers are not only great products, but they have their own little storage container. So load your roller with some paint. Take a look at how clever this is. Pop it into the storage canister, click down, you don't even have to touch the roller, shut the lid, and you're good to go.
So now we're ready to get some gorgeous colour on these shutters and our front door. But what I've done in the meantime is just taped up around the edge because it makes cutting in so much easier and it leaves less room for error, so you get that really nice clean finish. And this is the final product, and it looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it?
Leah, this is amazing. Any kid is, I mean, I love this.
You'd probably fit in there
I reckon you're right.
It took no time at all. It was so easy to do, and we've completely renewed this cubby house with just two gorgeous colours.